This is a short video for those of you that wear glasses and are trying to do maybe pencil on your eyebrows or put makeup on and maybe put on false lashes. So it's always really difficult, isn't it? If you wear glasses, if you take them off to do brows and lashes, you can't see what you're doing. If you have them on, it's impossible to do them. So I found these, which are called makeup glasses. Ta-da! And I think they're absolutely fantastic. So they flip from side to side, which means that you've got an area free so that you can do your eyebrow or you can put on your false lashes whilst seeing nice and clearly. And then when you need to do the other eye, you simply flip them over like that. Now these are inexpensive. These ones were £5. I'll put some recommended links below the video and on my website, and they come in different magnification strengths. So these particular ones come from 1.5 to 3, but there are various ranges that you can get online. Little local chemists are great for selling them, I've noticed as well, and of course all your big opticians sell them as well. So I hope this has been a helpful tip for you. Makeup glasses is what they're called. If you're a glasses wearer, you might find that they're really something very, very helpful to have in your handbag. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again. Bye for now.